Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kavin. Today we are installing an CNC side stand extender, but there is a small issue after the installing. I will show you an easy fix for it. This is the Motocare CNC side stand extender, and I purchased it for around 960, I think. Yeah, and this build quality is impressive, and it made an CNC machine aluminium, so it feels like an solid, and it comes with the 4 mounting bolts. It only not increases the side stand footprint, but also gives an some rugged ADV look for our Himalayan. If anyone want a purchase link, let me know in the comments and I will share it to you. Before installing it, let's check the height from ground to the side stand. I have measured from with using the scale, so it comes around 24 centimeter. We'll measure it again after installation and compare the difference. Before we begin, I want to show you this stock rubber stopper. Remember this part because we will replacing it later with the slightly longer rubber, so to solve the small issue after the installation. Installation is not complicated, it's just very simple. Just place the extender over the stock side stand and align all the 4 holes. Now insert the bolt one by one and tighten them evenly using the Allen key. Now let's fold the side stand, and as you can hear, the extender is touching the center stand. So this is only issue I have noticed after installing. Yeah, don't worry, so we can resolve using this rubber. So it just cost around 10 rupees, so I have purchased from the nearby automobile shop. It's about 0.5 centimeter longer than the stock rubber. So let's replace the original one, and yeah, done. Just tighten it. Yeah, perfect. And now let's check again whether the side stand extender is hitting or not in the center stand. Guys, now you can see the side stand extender is no longer touching the center stand, and also there is no noise when folding the center stand. Now let's measure the height once. So earlier it was 24. Now after installing the side stand extender, so it comes around 22 centimeter from the ground, which is not a big issue. And also I have already tested it on speed brake and some off-road trails, and it didn't scrap ground anywhere. So overall, this side stand extender is definitely worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Himalayan 450 DIYs, accessories and off-road content. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I will see you in next video guys. Bye.